Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Lovable, Lite plan for completely free. So let's dive in. First thing, type Imagy Labs edu in Google and click the first link. Next, select I'm an educator and press the register button and fill in the fields to create an account. After that, log into your account and go to the classrooms and simply create a classroom. What you need to do next is just open access for Lovable. Now go to Lovable. It's a different login page that let you log in with the account that you got from the previous site. You will find the link in the description down below and simply copy and paste your username and password in there. And that's it. As you can see, our Lovable plan is the Lite plan for completely free. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Until the next one.